Welcome to Plum Laboratories. We are dedicated to the development and production of world-class portable, high-speed connectivity devices. The Plum Case is a solution designed to ensure communication anywhere and in a form that can be shared by everyone. There are many uses for Plum Cases. A key use is business continuity. A Plum Case protects from costly downtimes and ensures that users have uninterrupted service and secure access to high-speed voice and data. Disaster preparedness is another main use for a Plum Case. Whether in a dense urban area or remote rural area, teams must be able to share information and data quickly and securely to save lives and property. Plum is trusted by FEMA and state emergency management associations, the Coast Guard, the Air Force, and many more. Plum Cases are also used for dedicated network capacity. Whether you're broadcasting from the Super Bowl or the Grammys, or from the White House Communications Agency, Plum Cases deliver reliable, secure, and easy-to-use portable networks that won't let you down. And lastly, Plum Cases can be used for day one connectivity. From a temporary medical space to a job site or a new office location, a Plum Case enables quick, easy setup and access to high-speed networks on day one.